Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to play My Little Girl by Jack Johnson, and if you'd like to, take a guitar and follow along. There we go. Hey little girl, you might not know the song. This is not the kind of song that you could sing along to. Hey little girl, maybe someday. At least that's what all the good people would say. Hey little girl, look what you've done. You've gone and stole my heart and made it your own. You stole my heart and made it your own. Hey little girl, black and white or right and wrong, only live inside a song that I can sing to you. You don't ever have to feel lonely, you don't ever have to shed any tears, you don't have to feel any sadness when you look back on the years. How can I look you in the eye and tell you such big lies? All I can do is try to show you how to love with no fear. My little girl, you've gone and stole my heart and made it your own. You stole my heart and made it your own. Hey little girl, look what you've done. You've gone and stole my heart and made it your own. You stole my heart and made it your